Today I will show you how to replace the bracket of Nissan Leaf. It's this one has been damaged, and we are replacing with the new bracket. This bracket holds the bumper with the main body, and once you look for the part, you can look it from its company, Nissan Leaf, or you can find it online as well. So it has its both sides. This is the upper side, and this is the bottom side. This will attach toward the body of the car. It has the same similar like 4 hinges here, 1, 2, 3, and same is there, 1, 2, 3, and it's a square holes. So once we will fix it, and we will secure it with the screws, all 3 screws, so it will be fixed there. So basically it has the same similar hinges here with the bracket, and it will attach with the broken bumper this side. You can see this one. I can just show you how it will work. It will go like this, side up, and the bottom side is again showing the screw. It will attach to the lower side of the bumper. So basically this all attachment will go one by one attached with this one. So I will show you later how to fix it. You see these 3, 1, 2, 3, they are going like this. We need to put it carefully, not with the force. And now that has been attached to the body of the car as it is required. So we will now secure it with the screws, so it should not leave the body of the car. Here at the top of the body, we will just put it there, and we will secure it. Second will go at the lower one. Now we will secure it with the... See, they are secured, they are fully tight, and this part is fully fixed, attached to the body. These, if you look from this side, these clips, and these will go with these ones. So we will simply push it, and it will get fixed into its previous position.